So as in the previous video, we have seen our grammar topic tenses. Tenses, the simple, present tense and present continuous tense. So what is tense? I hope you all have understood and you have watched the video also. So in today's session, in today's day, we will do our new topic of grade 5th, textual part, unit 5, poem number 5, The Lazy Frog. It's anonymous, means the poem has no poet. Yes, anonymous means no one has written. Yes, now, as in the school, you come, that time you were busy. On a school day, you are busy studying, playing, chatting with friends. Yes, when you have हॉलीडे, जब तुमको हॉलीडे होती है, अभी जैसे आप वैकेशंस, मार्च से आप वैकेशन से मिला है तुम लोगों को. यस, आप लोगों को मार्च से वैकेशन से मिला है, तो आप लोग बहुत लेजी होते जा रहे हो, मोबाइल के एडिक्टेड होते जा रहे हो, राइट, फॉर दैट ऑनलाइन. बट ऑनलाइन एजुकेशंस भी ज़रूरी है, पढ़ना बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो वी आर ऑल्सो प्रोवाइडिंग यू द ऑनलाइन एजुकेशंस ऑल्सो. Yes, so you have to watch this video also very carefully and properly, so you can learn it easily. Yes, students. So today the poem is about the lazy frog, and the frog's name was Fred. What was the name of frog? Fred. What was the name? Fred. Yes. So today we will see about the lazy frog. How he was lazy. He was not helping to his mother, and he was, whenever he gets time, he wants to sleep. He was not opening his eyes and all, making very much lazy. Only sleeping and sleeping. उसको खाली सोना ही अच्छा लगता था, right, students? So we will see in today's poem. So let's see. And the poem is on page number 79. And take one pencil with you. Yes, अपने साथ एक पेंसिल ले लीजिए, हम हार्ड वर्ड्स भी अंडरलाइन करेंगे. Yes, so here Fred is, what is the name of a lazy frog, students? Fred, F-R-E-D, Fred. So let's read. Fred is a very lazy frog who lolls all day upon a log. Yes, so here the hard word, students. First is lol. Yes, so students, what is the meaning of lol? To lie around lazily. Yeah, so lol means to lie around lazily, means पड़े रहना. To lazily, आलसीपन दिखाना. All day upon a log. So what is the meaning of log, students? Log means trunk of a tree that has been cut. Yes, so what is the meaning of log, students? Log, underline this word also. Lol and log. What is the meaning of lols? Lols means to lie around lazily, and log means the trunk of a tree that has been cut. Okay, here it is a tree. ठीक है, ये ट्री है. ठीक है, so this part, ये जो पार्ट होता है उसे हम कहते हैं trunk, the lower part of the tree. Yes, so it is called the trunk. From that has been cutted easily for a sitting place, means किसी बैठने की चीज बनाई होती है as a seat upon a log. So who lays down there lazily? The Fred lays down on the log or the trunk of a tree. He always manages to shirk. Now another word underline kari. SHIRK, shirk. Yes. What is the meaning of shirk, students? To not do something you should do. Yeah, what is the meaning of shirk? To not to do something you should do. ऐसा कोई काम ना करना जो हमें to not to do something, ऐसा कोई काम ना करना that you should do. He always manages to shirk. इस जो नहीं करना चाहिए वही काम वो करता था, right? जो नहीं करना चाहिए फ्रेड वही काम करता था. Doing a single stroke of work. Yes, single stroke of work. Stroke means not a single, एक भी पैर वो काम के लिए नहीं उठता था, वो एक भी काम के लिए नहीं उठता था, उसे बहाना चाहिए था सोने के लिए ओनली. He want the ways to sleep only. He doesn't want to do any single work. His poor old mother calls in vain. Yes, in vain, uselessly. Yes, what is the meaning of vain? Uselessly. Uselessly means, students, very uneasily. Means his poor old mother calls in vain. Uselessly उनकी मम्मा उनको बुलाती थी कुछ का. Come and help, he doesn't bother. Means कुछ बहाने से उनकी मम्मा उनको बुलाती थी. Then also he doesn't bother. तो भी वो सुनते नहीं थे अपनी मम्मा का. To move 2 inches much preferring. मीन्स यहाँ से 1-2 पैर चलना भी उनको बहुत कम होता था. प्रिफर मीन्स, व्हाट इज अ प्रिफर मीनिंग? लाइक समथिंग बेटर. मीन्स कुछ 1-2 पैर 1-2 इंचेस चलना, 1-2 इंचेस काम करना भी उन्हें बहुत पसंद नहीं था, बिकॉज ही वॉज वेरी लेजी. टू बी एक्सट्रीमली हार्ड ऑफ हियरिंग. यस, टू बी एक्सट्रीमली हार्ड ऑफ हियरिंग मीन्स बहुत ही कम वो सुनते थे किसी की बात. बिकॉज ही वॉज ऑल द टाइम ही वॉज asleep in on the log. Yes, he lies down lazily each and everywhere. He doesn't bother to his mother. Yes, मीन्स बहुत ही हार्डली कम सुनते थे वो किसी की. He lies there in a silent heap. He lies there on a log. Yes, who lies? Fred. Fred lies on the log silently. शांति से उन्हें सोना पसंद था. And stays conveniently asleep. Yes, and stays conveniently. बार बार वो सो जाते थे. कुछ काम हो जाता 2 मिनट के लिए, because he was very lazy, he doesn't like to work. He was finding a reason for sleeping again and again. Yes, now we will see the second stanza of the poem. Then para, if a lady frog hops past, you do think he would get up at last? Yes, what here is saying, if a lady frog means अगर एक lady frog वहाँ से pass on होती है frog Fred के पास से, you would think he would get up at last. Yes, हम लोग सोच सकते हैं कि वो लास्ट में ही उठेगा, because he was lazy, he was sleeping all the time. To bow and help her on the way. To bow means to show, to bend down and to show the respect. What is the meaning? Underline this word, student. Yes, 5th number. To bow means to bend down to show respect to someone. Yeah, bend down, as we bend down to our parents for taking the blessings, that type. So here is telling that if he would bend down or he shows respect, then also he doesn't show respect or doesn't ask for the help for of that lady, but no, to help her on a way, मीन्स वहाँ से उनको उस वे से वो जा रहे हैं, बट अगर उनको कुछ हेल्प होगा देन ऑल्सो ही वुड नॉट गिव द रिस्पेक्ट ऑल्सो और नॉट वुड आस्क फॉर द हेल्प ऑल्सो. But no, I am ashamed to say that when a lady frog comes by, he does not open up one eye. Yes, so what it's telling that, but no, I am ashamed to say, means यहाँ पे वो बोलना चाह रहे हैं कि I am very ashamed, मैं बहुत शर्मनाक से बोल रहा हूँ, शर्म के बोल रहा हूँ that when a lady frog comes by, that that lady frog passes by the friend, he doesn't open one eye. वो अपनी एक आँख खोल के भी वो देखता नहीं है, वो किसी को बॉदर नहीं करता था because he was very lazy. Yes, so students, here we have completed our poem. So students, I hope you all have understood this poem very well, and I hope you will be also not lazy so much like Fred. आप लोग lazy तो नहीं हो, I think. Yes, so आप लोग भी active रहना, because to be active means अगर हम active रहते हैं तो हमें काम करने का energy बहुत मिलता है. So if we will be active, our work would be go easily. Yes, so don't be lazy and be active in your work, students. Yes, so till then, stay safe, students.